Y over 6 times 6. Come on, man. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah. Alright, so this is going to be Y right here. Six over 2, 3 times 3. That's 9. Or 18 over 2 is still 9. So now we're going to create a situation for our x's and our y's, right? So we'll go do something for the x's and then we'll go do something for the y's. Now, funny story, we don't have to do nothing with the y's because they have the same number in front of both of them. When a number, or let me not say a number, when a letter is on its own, the number y by itself, there is an invisible 1 in front of it, an invisible 1 in front of it. So they both have the same coefficient, therefore we'll just write back that over here. So we have 2x plus a 1y equal 1, and a 3x minus a 1y equal 9. Now, they have opposite signs. When you have opposite signs, you're going to add them. Now, just for the fun of it, 1 plus minus 1, that is obviously going to be 0. Now, 2 plus 3 is 5, so we have 5x here. As in 2x plus 5x, 1 plus 9. Right? So that looking like we can figure out that. Now, with this is a little bit more work. We multiply this up here by 3, that down here by 2. So we just have to be mindful of what we're doing, right? So 3 times 2, x is going to be 6x. 3 times the 1 we'll have plus 3y. 1 times 3. Alright, so we're done with this here. Now we go here, we're multiplying everything by 2. So 2 times 3, again 6x. 2 times 1. And then finally, 2 times what? That's going to be 2 times 9, which is 18. So, whoops, I want to get that. Now, what do we actually do here? Well, those were different, right? You know, so I should have just, I should have colored these different, right? That way, you know, that way it would have made sense, right? So about, yeah, a plus 1y and a minus 1y, get rid of them. And 6x here, 6x here, we're going to subtract all of that. So 6x minus 6x. There we go. Alright? Now 3y minus 2y is 3. So let me just actually put it down. So when we have this, it actually becomes this. It's as if you have minus 1 multiplying by minus 2y. Right? So it's like you have this happening. And there's like an invisible 1 right there. So if you multiply minus 1 by minus 2y, you end up with plus 2y. So that's why you end up with 3y plus 2y, giving you 5y on this side. Okay? So that's why you have that. Well, let me make sure that I have all of that correct. This is odd. Oh, right. Yeah, see, I knew it. I have to be careful. You see, I almost did the same thing that I did yesterday. This is 3 minus 2y. This is 3 minus 18. This is going to be minus 15. There we go. So now we divide both sides by what's in front of the y. What's in front of the y is going to be 5. Divide both sides by the 5. Same thing over here. We divide both sides by the 5. That's what's in front of the x right there. So our y is going to be minus 3. Our x is going to be a positive 2. So make sure. So the real question is, does this work? 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 3, positive 1. 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess sometimes some of the questions look easier than they really are. Like the first one is clearly the hardest one I did. Because that one had like something equal xy. Madness. Oh yeah, I'll never forget that one. That one make me go remember that for a little bit. Yeah, I was surprised at how yeah, this actually came out nice. I never expected that, to be honest. Did not expect that. Genuinely didn't. I promise you I did not. Alright, so Alright, what? Why am a tablet doing this? Come on, this is the last one. We can, say that we used to do when we did teacher school. I made the last day like the lightest day, because after you go through the week, you're tired. So, what today is what? Today is Wednesday, so we can't even do that. I can't do it now, you see? No, it's not, yeah, it's fine. Anyway, 2.3x plus 1.8y equal 5.1. 0.9x 2.4 y. Alright, good. Alright, so if my tablet dead, it's fine. Alright. What am I doing now? Right, the line. Okay, so here's what I believe. Just like before. Alright, hold on. Give me a second here.